Where's Megan and Joda? Anybody know? Where's Megan at?
Megan's sick.
Joda's just
late.
probably,
Late.
late like always.
Idiot.
Alright. Well, I'm going to learn actually some information today, guys. We're going to talk about Saint Rosalind Franklin. Saint, I guess I'll just tell you about Saint Rosalind Franklin. I like to...
What?
Yeah. Okay, never mind. We'll get back to that later. Saint Rosalind Franklin, I like to call her Rosie. I mean, me and her, we used to calibrate some pipettes back in the day, kayak down the Colorado rivers. I mean, me and her, we were tight. But she was very important in the discovery of DNA. She, Todd?
So what's the connotation you're trying to get across to us by saying important? I mean, it's a very relative term, so just, can you elaborate a little further on that?
Amen. Now, Rosie, everyone said she was ugly, but I always kind of thought she was pretty attractive. She was always the smartest pea in the pod. If I ever gave you your labs back, you'd find that she respired a little bit more in the intelligence department, if you catch my drift.
It's a diatom, isn't it?
No, it's green algae. You're such an idiot.
She was a pretty sassy gal. Rawr. One day, Rosie was cleaning the lab at King's College when Shazbot, a scientific discovery, was found.
What does this mean? Put it in with my other stuff in my folder.
But, unfortunately, her superior Wilkins was not scientifically aroused.
Yeah.
In the same time continuum, two other scientists, Watson and Crick, were working on their DNA model. They invited Rosie over for a little Krebs cycle action and to pick her knowledge about DNA.
Hey, what do you think of our DNA model? Right, here's it. Right.
What is this? This is wrong. They're not ping pong balls in DNA.
SP levels are just a little high today.
Why are you so mean?
And while Watson was a little distraught, they had a plan.
Go.
One day when Rosie was working in the lab, Watson and Crick had a plan. Great galloping gators, Watson steals photo 52.
Look at this.
Oh my god. It all makes sense now.
She's a genius for a woman.
I know.
Yes, that just happened. Watson and Crick published an article in the newspaper Nature using Rosie's photo that eventually won them a Nobel Prize. Because of the radiation levels Rosie was exposed to while cleaning the lab, she died prematurely and was never able to fully realize the significance of her photo.
Should have listened about the radiation.
And thus, the sad, sad story of Saint Rosalind Franklin comes to a close. Amen. Learning actually some information about Rosie. I got your labs. Bam! Right here.
Really? I finally got him like all semester.
I needed those 50 points.
I'm sorry, guys. It took me a while to get your labs done, and I apologize about the length of time it took to give them back to you. But you guys are gonna have to wait a little bit more because these aren't really your labs. Well, go home this weekend and forget about me. Don't bother me, and hopefully I won't bother you. Be safe and help me know I'm always blessed.
Help me know I'm always blessed.